Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use Workday, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to use a Workday, first thing you need to get yourself a link to your company's specific sign-in page from HR or IT, because that means they have already set up everything. And as an employee, all you need to go to the company section or to the sign-in section. First go to sign-in section and go ahead, add in the link, and then you will sign in, and it will directly land you to the homepage of the company that has created, where you will be able to find 3 slots or many more according to the company. But basically you will find the option of time, absence, and pay, right, which will simply preserve and show the history of your work and record it. Now the next thing, you can also add more work in it, or more tasks and perform other tasks, and you can also request some application. And the next thing is, if you want to learn more, if you want to simply set it up, then you need to go ahead and learn section, where you will be able to check out the different options. If you go to the product section, you will be able to find out regarding what section do you need, right? Once you do that, you will be able to check out the overview of your Workday and how you can set it up and what it provides solution on. That's you need to know before you need to create. Now that's how it works. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.